Hi guys, so welcome to the video. I'm not pets, so I just medium to just like hindi maunti lang ako maka-video. And look guys, this was the toaster. That's so good. Oh, this was toaster. And this was that cooking the pizza that like this was vegetable and this was plate and this was my iPhone 17. This was the money and this was where I'm like this, like got it, like ito, like I was like yung ganito, di ba? Ay, wait mo. And this was, and I was, this was for cooking. Woo! This was the cooking. This was the cooking. It's so good. This was the cooking. Then, look at this. We have this, and this was like other, you know. This was a cheese. This was a cheese. This was a oil. This is for ice cream or milkshake. O kaya, di ba? Ito for, di ba pang ano to, di ba? Dito yon. This was caldero. Ito, this was just for them. And look at this. Video mo ba ito? Look. So, hindi kasi... So, hindi Tagalog. This was a bulldog. This was cupcake. This was a fish. This was... ano? Sorry. Di palagay. This was the where food is. This is eto ay Pringles, eto pang ice cream din, eto ano cream. Next, this is bunny. It was just a design. This is eto yung ano namin pang ano car. Eto damit or clothes, mga pagkain or food. Dito is mga tubig. So, magdadrive ako. So, guys, we're gonna drive. Wait lang. Paandar. Hindi Tagalog kasi Tagalog. Ito yung susi, guys. Susi. Drive tayo. Ano, tara? Tara. Video mo. Video. Yung susi. Ganyan. So, I'm gonna drive. Matutumbo yung blowing. Pat. Let's go. We are rich. Mayaman tayo in the world, di ba? Ba't mo nilagay sa kaldero? Magluluto tayo. Magluluto ako. Look where wet. So you know what we're gonna doing? I'm making bulak. So no more. So we don't have bulldog and fish. Pau, di ba wala tayong bulldog? Wala kaming bulldog pati so pabili ka. Magdadrive lang siya, guys. I'm gonna do. Magano lang ako. Panis, sabing Tagalog eh. So, I give it new. Unti lang to. Sabihin, unti lang naman to. Ganit yung mga kubal ka. Okay, let's go. I love you. So, we're making bulldog. So let's go to the oven. Oven. 1, 2, 3. I go in my I gonna go. I go in my watashi go in my yes, in my So we're gonna set up for 1 minute. Oh, it's 1 minute. Hi, hello. Tanggal lang natin yung tubig. So ako naman magkakat muna ako ng vegetables. Kaya mag-cut ka ng onting vegetable. Okay. Sige, bas. Ano siya mga i-oven ko ulit. Ayan, ito yung mga vegetable na nakuha ko. So, i-clean lang muna niya. So, dito yung mga natin. Yes. I go in my head. I gotta go. Lumaya ka onte. Hi guys. Hindi, punta ka muna dito. Wait na nga. Diba? Go. So guys, i-ano na natin. Matiin. Yung pakat. Ito talaga. Ito, ay kutsilyo. Ito ay kutsilyo. Ayun, tapos na pala. let's eat it. Let's go. Yes. We just make camp, but it's so fun. That's so yummy, right? But so spicy. So guys, eto na nga yung nagawa ko. So guys, we're the richest in the world. Just a future, right? So guys, iPhone 17. So, next, tomorrow, bukas, or tomorrow, magpupunta tayo sa China. Ako magdadrive ah. So guys, we're gonna show you the plane. This is the plane. I'm gonna magbibihis lang naman ako. Ay, wait. OMG, hito ba siya? I'm gonna drive. Uy, ako! Di ako. Di ako nga nagsabi mag-drive eh. Wala naman susite. Asan? Ay, sa kumukmoyra. Hindi, ikaw na lang. Ayan pala. So, mag-drive o, ikaw na. She's gonna drive. Look. Lang makita to. Uy. Airplane to. Yep. This is an airplane. May bubong. China or